Dignified. Adjective. Noble, stately, having dignity.
Stern. The back of the ship or boat. Everybody to the back of the ship! Move it, people! Move it! Get in! Get into the water! Get in! Finally, I had the royal treasure to myself. Now I'm going to fall asleep on the ship.
Navigation. Noun. Skill or process of finding a ship's or aircraft's position and course.
Turn right in 2 seconds. Error. Stupid navigation system!
Cargo. Noun. Load of goods carried by a ship. Goodbye, Birdie and yummy candy.
I'm sorry I threw him in the pizza last time.
Oh well. Homograph. Words that are spelled the same but are pronounced differently and have different meanings. Today we are learning about homographs. Nick, give me a meaning of homographs.
I don't know.
Stand up, please.
Hi.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. Quivered. Shook, shivered, trembled. Bird.
Welcome to the funeral. Come on in. That lonely Sunday night, and all it was a car wreck. Did you? Did you notice this? You were still with us, Bailey.
Celestial. Now, of the sky or outer space.
I see cheese.
I see squirrels.
You always see squirrels.
Conducted. Verb. Directed, managed. Homonyms. Now, words that are spelled and pronounced the same but different meanings.
Hi, I'm meat.
I'm meat too.
No, my name's meat.
No, I'm meat.
I'm meat.
What's the meaning of your name?
Like the eating kind of meat.
Oh, well, I'm the kind of meat like you meet a person.
No, I'm meat.
I'm meat.
Bow. The forward part of a ship, boat, or a craft.
Oh my gosh, it's really high up here.